welcome to your workout. Yes, I am wearing glasses. I just got them yesterday, so I'm getting used to them. They're just reading glasses, but I think I'm supposed to wear them all the time. So anyway, my new face. But we're gonna do a standing workout. I've got a chair here, so if you want to have a chair to hold on to, we're gonna do most of the exercises on our tippy toes, like ballet style, but it's also really good for building your legs. And so this is a Pilates, a little bit of a variety workout, some moves that we've seen before, but on the tippy toes. So just grab a chair, and that's all you need, and we'll get started. Okay, so we're gonna grab our chair. We're gonna start warming up the calf muscles a little bit. You can face the chair. I'm just kind of turning towards the camera. So you're just gonna walk it out. You can go fast or slow it down. And put some intention into these lowering and lifting of the heels. Push the heel down almost with, a little more pressure than usual. Walk it out. Get warmed up. All right, our first thing that we're gonna do, actually let's do double heel lower and lift so that we are really firing up the calf muscles and activating that lower part of the leg that nobody likes to activate. And you have your chair for support, so you can do a bunch of these in a row. And then you can separate your feet and think about clenching those glute muscles together. So you're pulling your heels together, you're also sending a signal to your glutes to tighten up. So everything is working. And since I've never really been much of a dancer, I don't have that beautiful pop up on my tippy toes stance, but we can try. All right, so we are fired up in the tippy toes. We're gonna take this down, so you're gonna stand on your tippy toes the whole time. Lift up the heels, and you're gonna come far away from you wanna straighten out your arms, so come down and up. That is the dog. And you're gonna feel your quads are activating. Try to come down straight. Your back is nice and straight instead of hunching over. Keep your posture good. All right, stay up on your tippy toes. You're feeling that burn. He has a plastic water bottle, so that is the effect, the sound effect that you hear. Now you're going to stagger your feet, so you're coming into a tippy toe lunge. Again, you might need some distance between you. I don't know if bending the arms is better or straightening them. I like to straighten mine so that it keeps you tall. Maybe do about 20 of these. Are you feeling those yet? I'm trying to stay on my tippy toes. Let's see if I can turn this chair around so I can show you the other side. Okay, so now we are facing the other direction, and we're going to come down into our staggered posture here. So right foot is forward. I'm going to try to push my chair a little bit forward and strengthening your feet. 20. Oh, stay focused. Heels are together. We're gonna do that same low squat, but with the heels together. So if you're sideways, facing sideways, you're gonna extend both arms, and you can use one chair for support. Stay on the tippy toes. We've done this just with our hands supporting the floor. Our hands supporting us from the floor. Again, when you come up, activate those glutes. Hi, buddy. What's up, bud? There's my son. He's good job, sweetheart. Did you do well? Yeah. Good, honey. And when you are coming up, just give it that extra glute squeeze. Your body will thank you later. Oh, his wrist is hurting him. And there we go. Woo. Okay, so that was a good, solid workout. We're gonna actually set our feet down. Okay, so if you had them up the whole time, congrats, you probably will feel a little calf burn tomorrow. And let's hold on to our chair and just do some straight leg kicks. Try to keep that back leg straight. Dancers can do that like super high, you know? So imagine you're a dancer. And 20, and then catch that foot and open the hips up just a little bit, just for a good stretch. And then set it down. We'll do the other leg. I'll switch my chair back. So let's do the other leg with a kick. And here we go. So if you can get it up kind of high, use your glute to lift the leg. And that was about 20 of those. Ooh, okay, and then we're gonna do some tree taps. So from tippy toes again, we're gonna bring the leg up and down, little ballet style kicks. You can bring the arm up with you. Maybe just do it a little fancy move, or bring it forward. Ooh. Lost my grip, my chair's starting to slip. Okay. So now let's do the tree tap with the other leg, and then we will be done. So you're on your tippy toes again. Right leg is coming in. You can add in the arm movement up overhead or around the chest. And then, I don't think we stretched out this leg in the dancer pose, flat-footed. And that's gonna be it for today's workout. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for joining me. We'll catch up soon. Bye.